Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, we will discuss about fruit preservation technology. The discussion will go through following points: introduction of fruit, importance of fruit in a diet, need of fruit preservation, what is fruit preservation, principles of fruit preservation, importance of fruit preservation, techniques of fruit preservation, and common fruit preservation methods, and finally, mango preserved products. Introduction of fruit. Fruit is the fleshy or dry ripened ovary developed after fertilization of a flowering plant, enclosing the seed or seeds. Fertilization induces various changes in a flower. The anthers and the stigma wither, the petals drop off, and the sepals may be shed or undergo modifications. The ovary enlarges, and the ovules develops into seed, each containing an embryo plant. The principal purpose of the fruit is the protection and dissemination of the seed. Example: guava, mango, and grapes, as well as beans, pods, brinjal, tomatoes, cucumber, and almonds are all technically fruits. Types of fruits on the basis of their shelf life. First, perishable. Perishable fruits last for less time, 2 days to 1 week. For example, strawberry and banana. Semi-perishable fruits. It lasts for around 2 months and are processed. Example, jackfruit, pomegranate, and grapes. Shelf stable. Shelf stable fruits. It has longer shelf life, more than 6 months. Example, almond. Importance of fruit in a diet. Fruits are important source of dietary fibers, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Fruit improves immunity, it boosts energy, protects heart, relaxes blood vessels, increases bone mass, controls heart rate, prevents cancer, protects skin and vision, etc. Need of fruit preservation. To enjoy any kind of fruit in any season, for example, mango is a seasonal fruit, available only in the month of May and June. But if we preserve the mango in the form of mango juice, mango pulp, mango pickle, raw mango powder, etc., we can enjoy the mango in any season. Second, to eat the fruit even it is not available in our area. For example, dates. Dates are found mainly in Arabian countries, but due to their preservation methods, they store for longer time and available to us. Third, to store our fruits easily without worries of market value. Due to seasonal conditions, at a time the fruits are available in the market in a large amount, so the market value decreases, and finally there is a loss to the fruit grower. But if these fruits are preserved in various ways, we can minimize the wastage and also controls the market value. What is fruit preservation? Fruit preservation is the process in which fruits are preserved from getting spoiled, the color, taste, and nutritive value of the fruit. Due to fruit preservation technology, fruit products last for longer period. That is, shelf life of the fruit increases. So technically, fruit preservation is defined as retaining fruit over a period of time without being contaminated by pathogenic organisms or chemicals, or without losing its color, texture, flavor, and nutritive value. Fruit preservation usually involves preventing the growth of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms, as well as retarding the oxidation of fats which cause rancidity. Principles of fruit preservation. Due to fruit preservation inhibits growth and activity of microorganisms. Fruit preservation inhibits the growth and activity of microorganisms. It includes asepsis, that is, to keep out microorganism, removal of microorganism, stopping the growth and activity of microorganism by low temperature drying or using chemicals, destruction of microorganism by heating or radiations. Fruit preservation protecting against self-decomposition of food, which inhibits the activity of endogenous enzyme like phenolase, delays or inhibit chemical reaction, that is non-enzymatic browning, protection from invagination and spoilage by insect and rodents, protection against losses by mechanical causes. Importance of fruit preservation. Fruit preservation is important as a food industry due to number of social, psychological and health factors, which increases the shelf life of the fruit, retain the quality of fruits like color, texture, flavor and nutritional value, increases fruit supply, adds variety of fruit, decreases wastage of fruits, makes fruits available throughout the year. Technique of fruit preservation. There are two techniques of fruit preservation. First, physical, second, chemical. Physical fruit preservation technique includes asepsis, high temperature, boiling, heating, drying, cooling, freezing, and vacuum packing. Chemical fruit preservation technique includes sugaring, salting, pickling, canning, jellying, oil packing, and use of food additives or chemical preservatives. Let us discuss one by one. First, physical preservation methods. Asepsis. Asepsis is a process of preventing of growth of microorganisms and their contamination or both. The covering or wrapping prevents primarily contamination during handling, protects the processed food from microbial contamination. Second, high temperature. High temperature either by boiling or heating kills microorganisms and their spores present inside or over the fruits. Third, drying. Drying fruits requires removing the water content, as bacteria needs water to survive. The drying process ensures that food does not go bad over time. Drying completely changes both the texture and the taste of food. Once food has been successfully dried, it can be stored in ambient conditions. For drying fruits, we can use dehydrator or oven or direct sun drying during summer season. Fruits generally needs to be 95% dehydrated before it can be stored safely. Fourth, cooling. Cooling preserves fruits by slowing down the growth and reproduction of microorganisms and the action of enzyme that causes the fruit to be rot. Due to commercial and domestic refrigerators, fresh fruits salads can be stored safely for longer periods, particularly during warm weather. Fifth, freezing. Freezing is also one of the most commonly used processes, both commercially and domestically, for preserving a wide range of fruits. Sixth, vacuum packing. Vacuum packing stores fruits in a vacuum environment, usually an airtight bag or bottle. The vacuum environment blocks the oxygen needed for the survival of bacteria. Vacuum packing is commonly used for storing nuts to reduce loss of flavor from oxidation. Chemical preservation methods. First, sugaring. Sugar tends to draw water from the microbes through plasmolysis. This process leaves the microbial cells dehydrated, thus killing them. In this way, the fruit will remain safe for microbial spoilage. Sugar is used to preserve fruits in an antimicrobial syrup with fruits such as apple, pear, peaches, apricot, and plums. Or sugar is used to preserve fruit in crystallized form with fruits. This method is used for the citrus fruits, amla. Sugaring can also be used in the production of jam and jellies. Second, salting. The hypertonic property of sodium chloride, that is salt, makes very difficult for bacteria to survive. Organism dies or become deactivated through dehydration, which means the fruit can be stored for longer period in ambient temperature. Third, pickling. Pickling fruits creates an inhospitable environment for bacteria. Potentially dangerous pathogens can't survive the acidity of vinegar, which means fruit can be kept safe and edible for years. Pickling is one of the simpler methods of fruit preservation, but it drastically changes the flavor of most fruits. The process involves creating a pickling solution of white vinegar, salt, and sugar, which is brought to boil in a pan. The fruits are placed in an airtight jar and the solution is poured on top until all the fruits is submerged. The jar is then sealed and stored for several days. Fourth, canning. Canning involves cooking food, sealing it in a sterilized cans or jars, and boiling the container to kill or weaken any remaining bacteria as a form of sterilization. It was invented by French confectioner Nicolas Appert in 1806. This process was used by French Navy to preserve fruits, vegetables, and even milk. Fifth, jellying. Jellying is the fruit preserve, which are preparations of fruits and sugar, often stored in a glass, jam jars, and mason jars. Many varieties of fruit preserves are made globally, including sweet fruit preserve, such as those made from strawberry or apricot, and savory preserves, such as those made from tomatoes or squash. The ingredients used and how they are prepared determines the type of preserves. Jam, jellies, and marmalades are the examples of different styles of fruit preserves that vary based upon the fruit used. Sixth, oil packing. The use of vegetable oils to preserve summer fruits makes it harder for bacteria to develop, but it also adds a completely different dimension to the flavor. Oil packing is ideal for preserving tomatoes, eggplant, herbs, onion, and olives. Oil packing creates anaerobic conditions with the addition of acids, usually vinegar. Most people use airtight mason jars or sealable food bags to preserve fruits and vegetables. Seventh, food additives or chemical preservatives. They are specially added to prevent the deterioration or decomposition of fruits. The fruit deterioration may occur due to various microorganisms or by food enzymes or by purely chemical reactions. The inhibition of the growth and activity of microorganisms may inhibit microbes by interfering with their cell membrane, enzyme activity, or their genetic mechanisms. Food additives or chemical preservatives. These are the some chemical preservatives used to preserve fruits. Citric acid used in syrups, drinks, jams, and jellies as a substitute for fruit flavors and for preservation. The sodium salt of benzoic acid has also been used extensively as an antimicrobial agent in foods such as jam, jellies, and margarines, carbonate beverages, fruit salads, pickles, fruit juices, etc. Sorbic acid is used as a direct antimicrobial additive in beverages, syrups, fruit juices, jellies, fruit cocktails, dried fruits, pickles, and margarines. It is most effective against yeast and molds, but less effective against bacteria. Acetic acid in the form of vinegar is used in pickles and pickled sausages. Acetic acid is most effective against yeast and bacteria. These are the some mango preserved products including mango jam, mango jellies, mango pickles, mango chutney, mango squash, mango juice, mango dried pulp, mango burfi, mango podi, dried mango powder, that is amchur. Similarly, we can prepare the preserved products from various fruits like jackfruit, guava, apple, pomegranate, banana, papaya, and many more. With the help of this fruit preservation technology, we can enjoy the taste of seasonal fruits throughout the year. This is all about fruit preservation technology. Hope you will understood this concept.